Hey guys, Dave Metzler, Tiger Home Inspection. So watch this for a really cool pro tip for fixing a hole in drywall. Now, this is my garage. I'm actually remodeling it at the moment, and I have this hole here. The most traditional way to repair drywall might be to cut it all the way back to the middle of the stud on both sides and cut a new piece in and screw in a new piece of drywall. So first thing I'm going to do is, I have this hole here, it's pretty uneven. I'm going to try to get it about as even as I can. So I do have a drywall saw here, and now I'm just going to measure the square, and it's about 6.5 by maybe say 4.5. But we want to go smaller than this because this is going to be a trick, you guys. Watch this. So we actually want to go smaller. We're probably going to go about 5.5 by 3.5. Okay. So now I cut a piece of drywall that was 3.5 by 5.5, which should fit on the inside a little bit extra. And as we can see, that fits a little bit extra, okay? Now what we do is the trick part of all this. This is really cool. Next thing you need to do is get the fiberglass drywall tape and cut some pieces to kind of overlap the hole by, you know, maybe about an inch, 2 to 3 inches on each side. So I've got my trusty helper here. We're going to cut some pieces. There we go. 1, 2, kind of enough to cover the hole. 3. Well, watch this though. It's going to be like a backing. 4. That should be good probably. So now we have our drywall, and what we're going to do is we're going to take all the fiberglass pieces, and we're going to kind of lay them over the piece. Actually, we want to do it sort of over the back of the piece, so we have the part of drywall that we want to face out, facing out. Grab that, okay. And then like this, so you can kind of see it sort of like overlaps. Okay, so let's go and check out how we do this. Okay, so now we take that piece that we had with the fiberglass kind of overlaid, and we just push it in like this. And I'm reminding you that our studs are way over here, so we're not where a stud is. What we're going to do is we're going to hold these down, and I've got some drywall mud here. And you're just going to kind of drywall mud over all this.